Here we go, everyone. This is going to be an afternoon drive to the Jarir Bookstore. If you live in Saudi Arabia, you must definitely be familiar with Jarir. And well, let me just put on my sunshades. The Jarir that I'm going to right now is in the Panorama store, Panorama Mall. But this Jarir store, it has entry from the outside of the Panorama Mall. So there in the distance I see the Kingdom Tower, quite hazy and not so clear, but well visible with the naked eye. What do we have over here? Okay, where are you watching this video from? Please do let me know down in the comments. It would be awesome to know you guys. Meanwhile, let me see how the image quality is right now. I think we could do better with pushing up the camera a little bit. Yeah, now seems better. Yeah, there we go. Better views of the whole dashboard and what's ahead. Oh wow, the signal turned green. That is good actually. We can go from here because they are waiting over there. I don't know why so much delay, but here we are. Even the signal up ahead turned green, but we cannot reach there in time. So well, it is what it is, so we will stop. There we go. Here we are on the Prince Turki Street, and let me see in the meanwhile if I can put the maps on, but anyways I think it's fine without it. So what do we have over there? A green, I think it's a Toyota Cross or something. That car was green and the signal turned green, and onwards we go. There isn't much traffic at this time in afternoon, but it's actually hot. Not that hot today. Outside temperature is 43 degrees Celsius, but it's also dry. So there you have it. Is the signal going to turn green? I think yes, it already turned green, and it's time for us to go. Can we reach the Jarir Bookstore in the next 15 minutes? Next 5 minutes? Can we? Let's see. We shall see. The next signal is also green. Are we lucky enough to pass through that? Yes, we were. These days around Riyadh you would find a lot of cars that are American. Like we have a Ford going, and then we have a GMC. Over here we have a Korean Kia. Another Ford territory over there. I would try to go as near as possible to the Jarir Bookstore, because their parking, you see at Panorama Mall, it's huge. Can we take a U-turn from here? Okay, let's see where we end up. Yeah, so we are inside the Panorama Mall. In Arabic you would call it Panorama. And right now I would like to go straight and on to the other side, where we have the Jarir Bookstore. I could even put the car in the parking, but we just passed the parking, and well, it would not have been as convenient as parking right next to Jarir, even though if it's open air. Check out the dome of that mosque. Wow, beautiful. Here we are at Jarir, almost near Jarir. Oh, wow, we even have a view of the Kingdom Tower from here. See, there is the Kingdom Tower behind the trees. So interesting. Now you see everyone, there in the corner we have Jarir. Let us take a U-turn and then put it on in the other side. Yeah, this is fine. I think the guy was trying to put over there. Oh no, he wasn't. So we are good to park here, and in front of us we have the Jarir Bookstore. So we came quite close to Jarir, and it's time to end the recording over here. Here we have the Takhasusi Street. There you see, here they have the tablet section. This one costs 3299, the lowest one. 12 GB RAM, 256 GB. Mate, what's the model? MatePad Pro. What do we have over here? And this is for 2899. Nice. What's this? Yeah, this one costs 2000. Seems cool, by the way. Okay, so where's the Play Store? What I need this for is the Drawboard app, where I'll be taking notes mostly. So, well, not working. This one looks cool. Wow, this seems fun. 499 and 749 for the higher version. Okay,